Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Sorry, go back to Jersey, you bum. Excuse me.
What? Slow down! You're in danger! Kevin, Doug, slow down!
Watch out!
Dus als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht.
Ah, what do you think, boys? Looking beauty. We made it through! Come on! Get me out there! Let's go! Get me back out there! Come on!
Baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me...
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
It's hard to tell Rogie we're sorry because he's always so busy with Wendy. Huh?
Okay, Charlie, I have a joke for you. How do you know when an engine is eating?
Thanks to manufacturer, you're alive! Matt?
Unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
And how come I can do this?
Oh, man,
Paris, a treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is. Mate.
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love
Feeling lonely, lost and let down. Take my way, that's the highway, that's the
No, you are not winning this.
You're angry.
I am not angry.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
It's your Axelrod. I'm sorry to interrupt. No, it's all right. I just wanted to come down here and personally...
I'll stay as close as I can. Your suit will transfer your speeds to Hamilton.
Fine, whatever. Let's do...
Trying to help you. As your sponsor, yes, but also as your friend. You're racing to...
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I'd better do it in style.
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Well, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Well, then race for me.
Tax!
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race.
The XDL. It's Saturday.
Jackson Storm, we...
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
Speaking of recalls, you're getting up there in mileage, aren't you, Finn?
All right, we get it. You both know